Hi everyone, this is the most request that I received in a week. So I have to do this, everyone, even though it's nighttime and it's my kid vacation too. I have cut 7-inch square lightweight interfacing and I iron on the 8-inch square piece of men fabric that I use Japanese fabric. You have to look at this. It's golden shimmery. It's so beautiful. I love this. And then I have cut here, the lining is also 8 inches square, so 1 inch is bigger than the interfacing. And I'm going to fold this one like this so I can round the corners over here. I do 1 1/4 inch. I'm going to round this corner. Okay, so right here, just like so. And I'm going to trim this. I just decided to round it after I cut the interfacing, so alright, to round this is better. Alright, so now I'm gonna place the right side to the right side, the main fabric and the lining. And I'm going to trim this too. People asked me to do this quick, so here we go. You're going to pin around this, and so you can sew. To sew this thing, you follow the interfacing. Don't have to be this side, it can be any side. You're gonna leave about 2 inches open, so follow the interfacing. So around this area, go all around to here and stop. Lift this open so you can inside out. So everyone, after I sew all around and I left it here open, I don't mind using the pin for little thing, but for the big thing I usually use the clip because I don't like it. So because I use lightweight interfacing, so I'm gonna go and trim a little bit. If I use number 809, I don't have to because it's stronger, it push out. I use this because the Japanese fabric is thick, and origami, you need to, if I use Japanese fabric for origami, I use lightweight interfacing. And if I have our fabric, then I use number 809, if that makes sense, or hidden bone. Okay, this round area, make sure you go careful around this. I'm so excited for 2025. Fold this like that, and then on this side too, so when I inside out, this let work for me like that. Now I'm going to inside out this. This is super easy. You can do this for basically this a lot of people. I have to say, if I can find a comment, I'll show you, but I didn't get to respond to the comment the day before yesterday, so I'm very busy. Kid on vacation, and I want to spend some time with them too. That's why some requests I do at nighttime, and it's just because I love you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go and pull this, the opening spot, go press all around. You're gonna top stitch all around the side here. So everyone, after I top stitch all around, this is the round area, and this is the all the way down. From here, you're going to measure. Remember, if you want to make sure, you can fold it like this, straight like that. so you can see the line going down. From this pointy up, you're going to mark 2.5 inches. That where I am going to add the button. Because it's Japanese fabric, a little thick, so I'm gonna poke the holes a little bit here, so that can help me to bring this over, and then poke into this side, and one of the side of the button, the one that's sticking out like this, I'm going to place it here. You can use any button you want. I just happen to like this one. You're gonna fold this way. The round edge is, the round side is here. So you follow from the pointy here, you're gonna follow this all the way down and sew it. Follow the top stitch and sew about half an inch before the pointy. You're going to stop and then you're going to sew right across like that, straight line like that. Everyone, after I sew this straight line all the way and then half an inch before I go right across, I touch the fabric marker, that's why. And then you're going to trim this just like so. And now you're going to inside out. After this, you're going to iron, but make sure the line that we fold earlier in the center, we're going to make sure this sew line stay in the center too. So everyone, after you iron and everything, on the bottom here, the pointy, you're going to measure up 3.5 inches. It's just a little measurement, but everything will look good. 3.5 inches. So 3.5 inches, we're gonna move this up like this. All the way up like this. You're gonna iron this. A lot of iron. When come origami, we do a lot of iron. But it's perfect. I still have this one I make long time ago in the blue color. Very cute. And so from here, you go into this extra right here. You're gonna flap it back inside like this. It's in the back here. So where the sew line, I'm going to sew that down. You can hand sew this if you want to. I mean, you have no choice. You have to hand sew this. And I want to spend time with my kid during the day. And this is like keep asking me every day, can you do my request? Can you do that? Did you do that? You know, so I feel bad I have to do this. Right here, the triangle on the side, you're gonna make sure you fold it in like this. When you fold it, you can see it meet up like right here. The side of this meet this side right here. And then where you going to iron this, you iron really good, okay? And it's lying down. And then this side you're gonna do exactly the same, pulling this over just like so. A lot of people asking me to show more origami, and this is it. I'm the only channel that changed the origami from the paper to fabric. So, and lately I see a few channels start doing that. That's just crazy. All right, so now this fold right here on the side, you're gonna lift this up. You're gonna bring this side in, and make sure this side go into this. All right, now you're going to iron this. And you have one side of this is done. You see how cute that is? You have this one side is done. I'm gonna go and clip this like that so it can stay down for now. And then on this side, you're gonna do the same thing. That this fold, you're gonna push it in like this. And then this fold right here to meet with this side right here. You're going to iron it really good. The more you iron, the better it looks. The most important thing that is even like that. I'm going to this side. I'm gonna iron this just a little bit like that. That basically it. It's very simple and easy. But on the fold side here, I'm gonna go and sew this fold side, and then I fold and sew on this one. On this side too, I'm gonna sew this, and I'm going to here, and I'm going to sew up to here. Everyone, after I sew on the side here, and I sew on this side on the fold, same thing to here on the fold, and on this side too on the fold. It'll look like this. Ta-da! So cute. Now we're gonna add the button for this side to snap with this one. I'm gonna fold it down. Make sure it go right evenly. If not, fix it. Just like so. And then you're going to press that one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go and add the other side of the button. Okay, and now that is that. You have room in here with its bands on the side, and then when you put it thing on, and then you can snap this just like that. It's so adorable and it's cute. Look at that, how cute it changed and everything, because it's so deep. It's not gonna fall out when you're closing it, and everything gonna stay in here. And then you put the change in here, closing this, it stay closed, and it not gonna fall out, you know. You hold it upside down, it's not gonna fall either. So cute. 2 3/4 open ends, and the wide side is 3 1/2 inch. I just want to say thank you to the people who just request me to do things, share with you. Sometimes that I can do the request. It's similar to what you asked for. I don't want to copy other people's work because it's not fair. So, love you everyone. Thank you for support my channel membership, and donate to my channel. And thank you for the people that have been here with me since the dinosaur still alive. Love you. Take care.